name is Donna Moriarty, and we've been in the house since June of 2019. We bought the house in April. We're both military and got orders to come to Virginia. And so we were trying to find a home that would be really good for the boys in an area that we liked, and Lake Ridge was it for us. And I chose Forte Construction because that's who our realtor used. She trusted her house to them. Then it was probably a solid recommendation, and they've just been fantastic. Initially, our biggest thing was getting the kitchen redone because it was severely dated, very little cabinet space. We didn't have a great working space in there for anything we wanted to do, and we like to kind of socialize as a family while we're cooking and getting stuff ready. We wanted hardwood floors throughout the main level, and so it was easier to do that all at once. And so they did all the flooring through the main level. It just instantly made it so much more homey and, the kitchen a better place to be in, and we loved it. Forte Construction, they were so patient with me on any decisions I was trying to make. They left me as many samples as I needed, as much time as I needed to be able to pick out my flooring and my counters. They were wonderful in just making sure that I felt 100% comfortable through the whole process of what we were doing. I've recommended them to myself now several times over. We started with the kitchen and the floors on the main level. They've replaced the garage door on the house. They just really do a great job of making you feel like they're there to make your vision a reality on your home.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.